it's time for the world to see what I can offer, and I figured that this is the time for me to shine and give my informational service and let everybody come in at the pre-market prep and watch me do my live videos every morning and give them the direction that I feel that things are moving. And sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong. It's just we want to be right more than we're wrong.
Disclaimer: Elite trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
But they want to hit a base hit, they hit a base hit or a home run. Sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And that's how we became successful. And now we're just wanting to share that success and let everybody else gain something that they don't already know.
Hey, good morning, traders. It's Kaylor here with Elite Trading. Welcome, and thanks for stopping in with us to get some trade ideas, talk about what's moving in the markets, maybe some possible news headlines and things of that nature. We've been talking about the fires in California, the hurricane trade, and what that could mean for the future of some of these stocks in these companies, or some of these stocks in these areas. So you have energy, you have oil, you have water shortages, you have a lot of things that you want to maybe put into your think tank. So I start writing these down. I say, okay, what could this affect? What if they can't get pipelines to be able to send these cities, the utilities that they need? Same with electric being down, the amount of cost that goes into damage when it comes to storms. So I start researching these things, looking them up to see what's going on in these states, what companies are publicly traded in these areas, and what might be affected by this, and then look at the assessments from the storm damages and from these fires. So something that we've been watching, something we've been looking at. Just wanted to give you that kind of tidbit of how to maybe get some ideas in the market that others aren't talking about on their shows because they're pumping actual tickers or companies, but maybe this actually gives you a an idea of like what's going on around you, to use that as a way to search and see what's going on with other companies that you may not think of normally on a normal basis. When you think Apple, Google, Tesla, Amazon, some of the meme stocks, you don't think ET Energy or BTU for coal. You don't think about things like that. So maybe you don't. Maybe you do. I don't know. But let's get into the charts. Good morning, everyone. Hit that like as you come in if you can. Elbow drop it, kick it, punch it, do whatever you can. Hit that share, and we'll get you on these charts here. Drop the comments in the chat if you have any stocks you want to look at. Thanks. This morning we are talking DraftKings, and the reason I wanted to talk DraftKings is because we have a lot of sports betting talk going on again. A lot of companies are really looking to get into this space and compete at a higher level, and this is one that a lot of people were talking about when the pandemic first happened, and we had multiple SPACs coming in and deals being done. This was a big one. A lot of people knew about DraftKings already. It was already a big name. It was something that was being tracked already. So it's just a good stock that I'm going to be watching for the long term. I think that we break those 70s eventually. So I'll be looking to keep on adding to some positions on dips. Big support levels in that low 40 range. It broke out of that level. Now you got to get through these 60s and get back up there to try to make some all-time new highs, in my opinion. Let's see how it does here on this consolidation. Taking pieces around that 58.76 may not be a bad idea, and getting in just real tight stops. If it falls back and tries to fill this gap at some point, then just be careful and have a tight stop loss on that one. Let's pull up and see about BABA. We had a good trade on BABA. BABA ticker symbol. We talked about it in the live yesterday. Gave you this trade setup. You had the bottom here, double bottom. We talked about 157. We bought the 162.50 calls, and then it went up to the 195 or 169. Made about a 90% profit on that, and exited position. It was a great trade overnight. You're talking turn $300 into $600 per contract on 162.50s in one day. So 99% return on 162.50 calls. You have them up a little bit this morning in the pre-market, so we'll see if that continues and see if they can break out to get to that 180. They got to break. They're gonna have some resistance in this area, the 170s, and then hopefully we look at that 180 for anybody else that's still long. If you're short, your clear level that it needs to come back and try to break this 159. If it gets back down here, then if it falls through, then maybe you have a chance to get down there. So. There's Baba for you, Chase. Thanks. I already hit that for you. CPB, we were talking about it. Your boy put in pictures of the pantry, making a joke, but was really, obviously serious. We had about 100 cans of soup, and I told my wife, I said, I'm bullish Campbell's Soup. They've got earnings coming up, and you've basically bought the whole entire grocery store. So they made this nice move on the 1 hour chart here, as you can see, blasting up with good earnings. And let's see if that can continue, and let's see if they continue to get a nice little run here. We need them to pass through that 44 range to really try to find some new higher highs here. And, it's a long ways to go, in my opinion, but if they can get back up here and actually break this trend here, this would be a great opportunity for them. Now, most likely they'll probably come back, test this level again, and maybe that's your run. In my opinion, you get just like one of these, 1, 2, but it fell through. So maybe you'd like to see it go up here, retest, and then come back up and break through this whatever this high that it puts in here. So that'd be my opinion on CPB. Lucid, LUCID. What's up with Lucid Motors? LCID is the ticker. Dropping, getting beaten to death here. I'm not sure if there was news on it. Maybe you could drop some news for us in there if you're reading it. I can maybe possibly pull it up for us real quick in the Discord and see if we see anything on that. And let's see. LCID, Lucid. Let me pull that up here. Change my screens. Where did my thing go? Well, I lost it. I think I might have closed it out before we started the stream, so I apologize that. And with that, I will look and see what the flow is for the weekly on Lucid, LCID. So, you had 2.04 million above the ask on the calls, and a lot more on the call side than the put side. So it looks like to me that they were going short this stock by selling calls. When I say they, the people that have a lot more money than all of us. So I don't know. Be careful on that one. That's just the first little bit of news. I'd have to actually see what's going on with them. But sorry if I just broke the camera there. I probably did. Nope, we're still good. Did I freeze? No. All right, we're good. All right, so Tesla. We were talking in the group this morning about Tesla. I gave some levels. Let's see how they work out for us. Said I needed to break. We needed to break out here above this consolidation previously at the right in this area, this 735, 745. If we could break through here, then we could start trying to make some new moves to the upside. You're gonna have some strain right in this area, just like you did. So if it doesn't break out of here, then we called out 727, 726 could be your target to the downside. And the reason I say that is because I think that this is your real downside, 721. But if I'm going to be a betting man, I don't look to go for 100%. I go for 50%. So let's look for a drop, a $10 to $15 drop. So I'm only looking to get 7 to 8, capture some of that move on the downside. So if it breaks through and doesn't make all-time highs. ADA. How we doing, ADA? Oh, that's crypto, right? I'm in ADA on the crypto side. Let's see if it's... I don't know if they have it on here. I'll talk it. Let me move the charts over. Let's just pull the SPY up for now. And then I will do one of these motions. Let you guys look at me typing on the computer, talking aimlessly while you watch the SPY charts, maybe coming up with some other trade ideas for yourself, letting us know what you're looking at and why. Any catalysts, anything in the news that would strike your fancy that you want us to talk about it. While you're here, hit that like, subscribe if you're on the YouTube channel, and share this with your friends and family and whoever that might care about it. You never know. We were talking Ethereum and going into ADA at this current moment. If you're just now jumping in, so Cardano and then Ethereum. Ethereum's breaking out. We got in on ETH yesterday. Tried to get in multiple times around 3,400, barely filled at the 3,417, 3,410, 3,418 in that area. And then now we get a nice bump, 104 to the upside this morning, up another 3%, breaking out, trying to make all new highs over and over and over again. Let's just see if this thing can just come back and break out, making a high on the move. Let's go. ADA not doing the same. We need that to break out here and get above that 285. It doesn't like the 285 level, so watch out for 285 for resistance. It's already hit it 3 times. If it breaks through there, you're happy. If it doesn't, you're coming back down to reach that 280 mark, 282 in my opinion. Let's see if Ethereum holds. If it holds here and keeps on going higher, maybe it'll push other cryptocurrencies with it. So in the pre-market, we have the pre-market gainers this morning. GBS, 47%. We have ABVC, 4.23. Sorry, in the pre-market, 4.23 from 2.9, $2.90 to $4.23, up 45%. JW Mays, M-A-Y-S, up 27%, 46.49 from 36.33. Wow, FCUV Focus Universal up 17% with a move from $5.10 to $6. And then skills being talked about all across the world. SKLZ top in the WSB picks, top in the Reddit picks, top for all you Twitters and people out there making some moves in the markets these days and putting that money to work. SKLZ up 14%, $11.77 to $13.43 in today's pre-market. That's your top gainers. In the top losers bracket, you got the LCID. Lucid, we were on that list, already talked about it in the chat, down 22%. Pre-market $15.48 from the price originally at $19.96. We have Vera, VRA, Vera Bradley, down $11.46, down to $9.95, down 13.18%. Skillsoft Corp, SKIL, down 9.5%, 8.76 from 9.68. AAMC down 9% as well, from 21.70 down to 19.72. Watch for some significant support levels on these stocks that are falling to the downside, and maybe find and pick your levels for support with a very tight stop loss. Be careful. Make sure you understand that catching a falling knife is not the best way to go. Pulling up stocks that you can see on the chart here, we're going to look at Sunrun. Let's pull that one up. That's another one that we called out. Sunrun doing well since we purchased Sunrun. Doing a nice move here in the pre-market again. Nice move yesterday, and it's continuing to go here. We like the energy sector. We like these solar plays. We think they've been down and dirty and just quiet, just sitting down there, not being talked about. No one cared about them, and then we get a 6.44% blast off in Sunrun this morning. See that green candle up there? Pow. Pop up. Let's go. Keep on running. We like to see it hit $50 for RUN. And if you are in Sunrun, hit that like for us and drop us a comment below. Getting ready to jump off here. We've got 15 minutes to go. And, what do we got left? You guys want to talk about anything else? Any other stocks? I think we've hit everything in the stock chat except for GME. They'll pull up GME there. Don't want to leave you hanging. Chase hit you already with all the rest of them. Why not hit you with this one? Support level 203, easily support called out there. You're breaking up to the upside now to 211 support. So anywhere around that 211, if you get a shot, 215. If you're long, those are your shots there, and you maybe want to hit, take a shot at 215, take a shot at 210, 212, and if it breaks through there, that's your out. Look for it to break through here at the top. If you're looking for a breakout trend, go above 220, and you want to see it get out of that 220 range to hit some more ranges like 226 and above. So that's what I see on GME at the moment. All right, chat. So we appreciate you guys coming in. Once again, smash that like. You are the best. Stay green, stay blessed. Jump into the live chat in the Discord. Get the links below the video in the description if you want to join and learn more. We have trading courses available. We have bots that give you information. I mean, such an abundance of information that 9 times out of 10, you don't know what you're looking at, so you need some help looking at it. So why not join a group where you can ask the people, hey, what am I looking at here? Why am I looking at flow sum W? What does that mean? Well, we're talking about the flow of the calls and the puts. Where are they buying at? Where are they going? Where are they coming in at the ask? Are they paying above the bid? Are they paying below the bid? Are they paying above the ask, below the ask? Is there more puts than calls? Do the more puts mean it's going down, or does it mean that they're possibly selling the puts? Well, let's look at the price action on the chart and see how's the chart moving with the relativeness to the information that you see in the Discord bot. So you want to put all that stuff together, but get the information in there with us. If you want to know what Wall Street Bets are talking about, the Reddit stock traders, what we're talking about, what the big dogs are talking about in CNBC, what the old big dogs are talking about in Bloomberg, if you want to know what that stuff's like, if you want to know about trading, even just to open a brokerage, if you want free stocks for opening your own brokerage account, and not even getting into trades, this is my sales pitch for you. Jump in there and keep getting information for us for free if you want. Every day here at 9 a.m., Monday through Friday. Catch us on Benzinga. We're going to be on there on their weekly show in mid-afternoon sessions around 11 to 2 o'clock. Just got that confirmed, so hopefully we'll see you guys there as well. Stay blessed. Stay in the green. See you soon. I'll be in the Discord right after.